Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for events, photography and videography business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business or your website type, events, photography. So let's choose this. For example, let's choose this. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. So now enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's continue. Set your default working hours. Here if you want to add some services, add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. So I'm gonna choose them all. Now let's continue to dashboard. So if you wanna design more your site, click here. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now enter your information here: your name, business, the email, the address, the phone, and here if you wanna add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Here pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Here add page to your site. So let's add them all. Now your site is up and running. Your site is ready. So if you wanna edit more your website, click go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. If you wanna add some elements, click here. So the first element here, you find the text element. If you wanna add the text form or the text shape, here you find the titles and the paragraphs. So that now let's move on to the image elements. Here if you are looking for something, if you want to upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. If you want to edit the shape or the size of the buttons, you can add it on your homepage design, homepage website. Now let's here find themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents and the items buttons. Here to find if you have to add some payments buttons on your homepage website, the pay buttons or the PayPal buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip elements. Here you find the strip elements: classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials and theme. So select any one of them and you can add it on your homepage website. Here you find the decorative, the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows and the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. So if you want to add edit your shapes, uh, your shapes here, you can add it, edit it. And now let's move on to the vector art. Here find the featured, icons, animals in nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. And here you find the last here is the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. Also you find the gallery, the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the guide galleries and the slider galleries. And here if you want to show more galleries, So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus in the Anchor. Here you find the menus, the themed menus, and the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here you find the Anchor and the in-page menu. And the last here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all your forms you have to add on your website, the order forms, the contact forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So you can add on any one of them at any place on your homepage. Also here the Google Maps, you can add normal Google Maps, normal maps or full width maps. Here you find the chat, the Wix chat, and the line button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here you find the video elements. If you want to add some single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Also here you find the music elements, the audio players or Wix music, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the interactive, the slideshows. If you want to add some full width slideshows or box slideshows, the light boxes, and the last here is the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. And here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list, and here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements here, the SoundCloud player, Spotify player, or iTunes button. Here you find the advanced elements, marketing tools, or video dev mode. And the last here is the animation elements. Here you find the social bars. If you want to add some social bars on your home page, or some Facebook links, Twitter links, Pinterest link, or VK or Line. And the last here is YouTube if you want to add your channel on the home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. The payments button, the PayPal, and the pay button. Here you find the payments forms and the pricing plans and the store. So that's it. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content. Here the blog if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here you find the store, and the last here the bookings if you want to edit the bookings elements, the related elements, and the pricing plans. Here you find the events if you want to create and manage events. Here the community, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on. If you want to add sections, click here, select any section from here you want, and that's it. If you want to add some page and menu, if you want to edit your page and menus, so here you can edit the page and menus. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add more apps, if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload your media or edit images and videos, here you can edit images and videos. You can, if you're looking for free Wix images or free Wix videos, here the same as if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is about ads, Google ads and Facebook ads and social media marketing. So that's it. Now after you're done from editing, designing your website, all you have to do is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.